So I think Indian asset management industry seems to be on a cusp of a radical change. And I think it's following what's happening globally in terms of how asset management businesses are evolving and how investor preferences are evolving with the changes in the economic environment. And to that extent, clearly the emphasis for most regulators globally, especially dealing with public investments, has been around improved governance. So that's clearly an intent across the globe. And I think like US has taken significant steps in the last year to improve disclosure standards, etc. Similarly, the new UCIT regulations in the EU, which is the UCIT 5 regime, which is expected to become effective from 2017. The clear emphasis is on transparency for the investors. Also, I think the alternative strategies within the mutual fund businesses are also gaining more popularity, and that also means different kinds of risk that these products are exposed to. So there will be obviously regulations around risk management and mitigation, which will obviously govern a lot of policy changes in the coming times. So I think it's really a very interesting change that we are seeing over a period of time as a practitioner. I mean, India has always been seen as a destination of capital for all these years. But I think with growing wealth domestically, I think we're starting to see the global fund managers really eyeing India as a source market for capital. And I think that really is a shift which I think the regulators, the policy framework, as well as the product developers need to prepare themselves for. And where we see like large wealth management platforms being created today to cater to Indian clients who are looking at exposure in the global assets. And I think that's a very interesting change, I think, as exchange controls evolve and as products become more globalized. That's one clear opportunity that I see for local AMCs. The other interesting trend, again, following the global trend, is around alternative strategies. And today, I think the divergence between more traditional mutual fund products and asset management products to more tailored, customized alternative strategies, I think you're seeing a clear convergence. And that is where I think domestic AMCs really need to, I mean, the distinction is going to disappear in terms of the product developer. And I think they need to obviously gear up themselves. And that opens up a whole host of opportunities for them. So I mean, you have already seen the trend locally about AMCs getting into AIFs, and I think that trend is only going to grow. And these AIFs over a period of time may start becoming more global as well. So I think that's really a great opportunity that I see for this.